हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज का हमारा जो टॉपिक है वो है को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़। को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ ये आपके सभी टीचिंग सब्जेक्ट्स के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है स्टूडेंट्स। इसको आप सभी अच्छी तरीके से कर लेना। लेट्स स्टार्ट। The use of co-curricular activities to make the learning of a language more interesting, educative, and effective. The modern educational experts also strongly favor the use of various extra co-curricular activities in language learning. Curricular is an adjective take from the Latin word curriculum, which means course. At present, these activities like games, debates, quiz are recognized as an important part of the curriculum for the total education of the child. These activities are performed outside the classroom. Importance of co-curricular activities. Novelty. It is a fact that most of the students find the normal of traditional teaching methods boring. The use of co-curricular activities brings about novelty in this system. Great source of motivation. The organization of the co-curricular activities motivates the students, so it is a great source of motivation. Practical approach. We know that mere teaching or theory from books is not enough to improve the listening and speaking skills of the students. A need to adopt practical approach to do so. It is not only possible if there is a language laboratory in the school. Next point is individual attention. The organization of the co-curricular activities in the school helps the teacher to pay individual attention to all the students. Source of pleasure. We know that pleasure is an important need of daily life. Without pleasure, life is dull. The presence of a language laboratory in the school makes the students enjoy as they write and tell stories. Sense of achievement. When the teacher will hold competitions of speech or listening in the laboratory, the topper students will feel a sense of achievement when their names will be declared or when they will be awarded. Expression of view. When the children get in to participate in the co-curricular activities, they feel free to speak and express themselves. They speak, write, and present their views before the people. Use of leisure time. The organization of the co-curricular activities makes the students proficient in all the 4 skills of language. Whenever they get free, they can visit the laboratory and practice under the guidance of the teacher or the attendant. Hence, they can make best use of their leisure time. Charged minds. The organization of the co-curricular activities charges the minds of the students and they actively participate and solve the language puzzles. A creative concept. The organization of the co-curricular activities is a unique and different experience for the students. The students often feel that the examination is often the only place where their performance is observed. Increasement of vocabulary. The organization of co-curricular activities increases the actual vocabulary या active vocabulary of the students. Enhance confidence. The organization of the co-curricular activities enhances confidence among students. When the students participate in these activities, they can absolutely express themselves. Limitations. कमियां क्या होती हैं इनमें या कुछ कमी रह जाती है. Limitations. Time consumption. Some people think that the organization of co-curricular activities requires extra time for the student to be spent. There are already many subjects and the students do not have much time and concentration to devote properly to each subject. In this way, co-curricular activities add fuel to the fire. Need of skilled teachers. There is a need of skilled teachers to handle the co-curricular activities, as all the teachers are not expert in setting up and managing the co-curricular activities. All students may not participate. All the students may not participate in these activities, as only the brilliant students or the front benches participate the most in these activities. ये था आपका क्वेश्चन बच्चों को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ से संबंधित, और ये टीचिंग सब्जेक्ट्स के साथ साथ में आपका सभी टीचिंग सब्जेक्ट के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है। तो आप इसको अच्छी तरीके से पढ़ लेना, कर लेना। मैं एक बार इसको दोबारा से आपको दिखा देता हूँ एक बार। अगर आपको लगता है भाई आपकी समझ में आ रहा है जो मैटर मैं आपके पास भेज रहा हूँ, मेहनत करके आपके लिए निकाल रहा हूँ, तो प्लीज़ मेरे जो वीडियो है उसको शेयर कर देना, और चैनल है अगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब कर लेना, और वीडियो को लाइक कर देना। अगर आपको लगता है भाई कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट और चाहिए तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स के अंदर लिख सकते हो। ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू।